చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ పొద్దున ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. బట్ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ హావ్ నాట్ అటెండ్ ద మార్నింగ్. మార్నింగ్ కూడా అటెండ్ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆల్రైట్, యూ విల్ రివైజ్ సర్టెన్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఆల్రైట్, బికాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా మంది మార్నింగ్ కూడా అటెండ్ చేస్తున్నారు. రైట్, సో మార్నింగ్ అటెండ్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు విల్ బి అహెడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఆబ్వియస్లీ నా కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎఫర్ట్ పెడుతున్నారు. సో మీరు కూడా మార్నింగ్ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. Alright, there are many students who have attended in the morning. I have seen the names. Like we have got Raghuvardhan is here, Sai Shashank is here, Gayatri is here, Pratesh is here, Harshavardhan, Sai Shashank. So these are all students who are attending in the morning as well. But Chanamani attend. I didn't see the names, other names in the morning. Rishikesh, Sahasra, Sai Priya, Bhanu, Satvika, Shabana, Sahasra, Sahana, Rishikesh, S. Harshvardhan, Rida Maheen, Ramesh. All right, so do attend in the morning as well. So students, heroes mental ability chestunnam revision, where you will come across lot many questions. చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ చేస్తారు రోజు. రాపిడ్ ఫైర్ లాగా చేద్దాము. రైట్, బట్ మీరు స్ట్రాటజీ వైజ్ వెళ్ళాలి. మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీలో కూడా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ముందు ఆ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అటాక్ చేసి దెన్ యూ షుడ్ గో ఫర్ టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అటాక్ చేసి దెన్ యూ షుడ్ గో ఫర్ అదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. సోషల్ సైన్స్ తో కవర్ చేసేసి లుక్ అండ్ సే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, మెమరీ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ రికలెక్ట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, మార్క్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. యూ డోంట్ థింక్ లైక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఆర్ మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీ అండ్ డూ. రైట్, అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ముందు అటాక్ చేసి అవన్నీ స్కోర్ లో పాకెట్ లో పెట్టుకొని దెన్ యూ గో ఫర్ టైం టేకింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. టైం సేవ్ చేసుకొని ఆ టైం ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి. సేవ్ చేసిన టైం ని ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి? మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఇంకా మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీలో. రైట్, సో అండ్ 2 days మిగిలినాయి. సో వీల్ ఆల్సో టెల్ యూ హౌ టు రివైజ్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ స్పెషలీ ఆర్ బయాలజీ సైన్స్. ఎలా చేస్తారు? మొత్తం చాప్టర్ డోంట్ లర్న్ బై హార్ట్. మొత్తం బట్టి కొట్టడం అవసరం లేదు, కానీ ఫాస్ట్ రీడింగ్ చేయాలి. లైన్ బై లైన్ రీడ్ చేయండి, ప్రతి లైన్ రీడ్ చేయండి. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ సఫిషియంట్. ఈ టైంకి అలా రీడ్ చేస్తే విల్ బి సఫిషియంట్. రైట్, సో ఆ స్ట్రాటజీస్ మీరు నేర్చుకోండి. 2 days లెఫ్ట్. 2 days లో యూ షుడ్ గివ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ అగైన్, ఈ 2 days లో మీరు బెస్ట్ ఇస్తే, we have seen these many students over here like Raghuvardhan was there. His score is really good. He has attempted 4 mock tests. Mock tests మీరు 4 ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని రాయండి. చాలా మంది 4 రాయలేదు, 2 రాశారు, 3 రాశారు, ఒకటే రాశారు. అన్ని రాస్తే మీకు ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఆల్రైట్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ ట్రాక్ రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ హౌ యూ ఆర్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ అన్ని రాసినప్పుడు యువర్ ఎక్స్పోజర్ టు ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్ బెటర్, అండ్ దేర్ ఫోర్ యువర్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. మాక్ టెస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ రెప్లికా ఆఫ్ ద ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్. సో మాక్ టెస్ట్ లో మీరు బాగా చేస్తే ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా బాగా చేయడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్రైట్, సో లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్. యు గాట్ గుడ్ నంబర్ హియర్, 150 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ హియర్, మోర్ దెన్ దట్. సో లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ రెడీ, give a thumbs up. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. All right. Yeah, you can write all the exams. All right. Yeah, Saishank, thank you so much. Shabana, you can write all the exams. Everywhere రాయలేదు రాయండి. And we are reaching out to many students, thousands, more than 1,000 students last year exam. Our team is calling them. So మీకు కూడా కాల్ వచ్చే ఉంటుంది. But you may also not get the call because చాలా మంది thousands of students ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మీకు కాల్ రావడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. But we are keeping track of how you have performed. So మాకు తెలుసు. I have seen Raghuvardhan's performance. I've seen Shashank's performance, Sankeet, and the other Sahasra, Sheikh Tanveer, Simon with. So these performances we have already seen. And your marks are staggering. చాలా బాగా చేశారు. మాక్ టెస్ట్ లోనే బాగా చేస్తున్నట్టే అక్కడ ఛాన్సెస్ ఇంకా బాగుంటాయి. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, good, Rasagna. You have written all very good. Wonderful. Yeah, all right. All right, Rishikesh. Great, great. Let's get started. Oh, Bhargavi got the call. Very good. Yeah, so Bhargavi already got the call from the team. Yes, Mohammad Muskan is here. Abhiram also got. in all the four. All right, let's get started, students. All right, just without wasting time, we've got very good collection of mental ability questions today. All models cover అవుతున్నాయి. Number is less, but models are more. అన్ని models cover అయినట్టు questions ఉన్నాయి ఈ రోజు. All right, let's get started. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over.
Thank you very much, sir. Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadra Educational Technology Program, and this is a free coaching classes conducted for Nmmss 2025. In today's revision, we are going to do mental ability. All right. Fine. So your first question is, you have 286, 7, 16, 142, 34, and dash. Okay. So what could be the question mark? So for which you need to find out how you arrived at this 286 and how you arrived at this 16. Then only you can find out how we are going to arrive at this question. Okay, being the first question, let's see here. The answer is 70. How? We have 7 into 2 plus 2. That is 14 plus 2, 16. Next, 16 into 2 plus 2 is 34. Similarly, 34 into 2 plus 2 is 70. Next, if you want, you can also check. 70 into 2 plus 2 is 142. Likewise, 142 into 2 plus 2 is going to be 286. Okay. All right. See the next question. Should be very simple. Don't take more than 1 minute. So many of you must be working out the answer. Yes. So let's see the answer. It is 29. How? 68 minus 55 is 13. Next, 26 minus 13 is 13. Okay. 42 minus what you do, you will get 13. All right, students. So 42, what if you minus, you will get 13. So it is 29. All right. Yes. Your next question is here. Find out what strategy they have adopted so that you can get the answer. All right. So quickly think how they have got this answer. All right, let's see. It is 68. How? 7 square minus 2 minus 7. We get 40. Likewise, 5 square minus 8 minus 3. We get 14. Here, 9 square minus 7 minus 6 should give us 68. All right. So after the next question, we'll check how many of you have given the correct answer. Yes. So 1 full minute you I'm sure by now you would have got. Let's see the answer. It is 30. How? 16 plus 13 minus 14 will give me 15. 28 plus 12 minus 10 would give me 13. Likewise, 29 plus 16 minus 15 should give me 30. All right. Fine. So quickly see the next question. Not even 1 minute can be taken by you students. Your time is running. We are going to read out the names of the students. After this question, who all have given the correct answer? All right, let's check. How is it 18? 3 into 4 plus 3 will give me 15. 7 into 5 plus 3 will give me 38. Likewise, 3 into 5 plus 3 should give me 18. All right. Yes, let's see how many of you have given the correct answer. Oh, yes, I have Vivo 1907, Harita, Sai, Manvit, Jeshwan, Shashank, Shifa, Fatima, Shiva, Shabana, Pola, Jayashree, Bhargavi, P. Gayatri, Kitana, Ashwita, Satvik, Ashwin, Vineet Kumar, Bhumika, Devi Shri, Ravarti Bharat, Harshavardhan, Mani Teja, Navadeep, Rishikesh, Sushant, Rishika, Puria. All right, good students, you all have given a good try of the question. Let's move on to the next question. Yes, quickly give the answer for this. What could be the answer? Is it 11, 14, 10, 12? Let's see. How is it 11? 10 plus 15 minus 12 minus 9 is 4. Likewise, 10 plus 28 minus 12 minus 20 is 12. Here, 15 plus 23 minus 11 minus 16 should give me 11. All right. Quickly see the next sum. We have, I think we discussed, this is a very important question is this. The answer should be 125, isn't it? 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125. Let's see the answer. Yes. 1 cube, 3 cube, 7 cube, likewise 5 cube. Okay, good. See the next question. 15, 12, 3, 44, 28, 8, 64, 53, dash. 1 full minute you can take, students, not more than that. Your time is running. Let's see the answer. How is it 13? 15 plus 12 by 9, you do, we get 3. Likewise, 44 plus 28 by 9, we'll get 8. 64 plus 53 by 9, we will get 13. That's how we got 13. All right. Yes, see the next question. Quickly give the answer. Your time is running, students. Let's see the answer. It is 37. How? 6 into 5 plus 3 into 3 will give 39. 5 into 7 plus 4 into 4 will give 51. Similarly, 3 into 4 plus 5 into 5 should give 37. Okay. All right. Now guess which of the following figure is embedded in question figure. Two options are correct here. It's very interesting sum. You can take 1 minute being the first sum. Quickly give the answer. Which two figures you are able to see? I'm sure by now you would have got one should be option B. All right. Option B and what? Let's see the answer. It is A. Option B. Two options are correct. Yes. So the next one could be B because this figure is clearly visible, isn't it? So option A and it can also be B. Okay. Yes. See the next question. Which one correspond to the question? Option A, B, C, or D. 1 full minute you can take, students, not more than that. Yeah, students. Quickly give the answer. Let's see the answer. It's getting late. Option C. Okay. Yes. In this, we'll see how many of you have given the correct answer. Quickly, students. Yes, let's see. It is option A. All right. Yes. Now let's see how many of you are giving me the correct answer. Ravarti Bharat, Harshavardhan. I have Shrihit, Badrinath Sai Priya, Varun Teja, Kamal Sai, Hridaya Jyoti, Nikshipta, Revan Sai, Harsha Yash Harshika, Gayatri, Havyashri Pravallika, Sharanya Manish, Karim Nagar. Okay. Vigna Teja, Nimra. All right, good students. Let's move on to the next question. Quickly, 1 minute time is given to you. All right, your time is running. Let's see the answer. It is option A. All right? Yes. See the next question. Quickly give me your answer. It is option C. All right. Now the question figure is here. What could be the answer? Option A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? If you closely monitor, you'll be in a position to find out the answer. It is option C. All right. Yes. See the next question. Which one is which one is embedded in the question figure? Option A, B, C, or D? I'm sure you'll be able to tell this. Option A, B, C, or D? Quickly give me your answer. Let's see the answer. It is option C. Okay. And let me see how many of you have given me the right answers. I have Spooty, Shri, Niharika, Ashwini, Ritika Reddy, Shivadeepti, Ritvik Reddy, sorry, Sharanya, Manish, Nimra, Vignateja, Mamta, Vishnu Teja, Jashwant, Akshara, Shri, many more has given me the correct answers. Good students. Let's move on to the next question. You have to see which follows the pattern. This is not the embedded one, which follows the pattern. You might get confused between A and C, but the answer is A because in the highlighted one, it differs. The first one highlighted is above, second is below, third one is above, fourth one must be below, right? That's why option A is correct. On careful observation, we can find that option A is right. All right, quickly give the answer for this. What could be the pattern? The time is running and it is option D. Okay, right. Now see the next question. You have option A, B, C, and D. Which one could be the next close pattern after this? Two, three, four. Next one should be 5, isn't it? So close could be. See, it is following, cyclic, that is towards the right. So it should be option B. Exactly. Clockwise, in other words. Okay. Right. So see the next question. You have the question here. And what would be the answer? Is it option A, option B, option C, option D? Quickly give me the answer, students. Yes, I will read out after the next, at the end of the next question. So the answer could be option A. All right, see the next question here. What could be the next one? Yes, most likely A or C. Now in this we should say, we should see whether it is A or C. Okay. Only a small difference is there between A and C. Otherwise, it's simple. Yes, it is C. All right. Let's see how many of you have given your correct answer. Yes, Spooty has given, Sri Niharika has given. Then I'm getting answers from Akshara Sri, then Jashwant, Ravati Bharat, Ananya, Mahidar, Lokendra, Muhammad Muskan, Harita Shriman with Jashwant. Yes, many more is giving me Vasudeva Reddy, Bhargavi, Kirtana, Ashvita, Satvik, Raheen, Sahasra, Devi Shri, Jakula Ashwin, Vijay Kumar, Lokendra, Pratish, Nahida Nas, Harshavardhan, Varun Teja, Navadeep. Yes, many more have given the correct answer. Good students. See the next question. Which one is the correct option? The time is running. Quickly give me the answer. Which one is the correct option? Which one is the correct pattern? Or which pattern will follow after this? Your 1 minute is already started. Quickly go through the question and give me the answer. Yes, quickly give me the answer, students. Let's see the answer. It is option D. Okay, right. Now quickly give me the answer for this. Yes, and the answer is option C. All right, your next question is here. Yes, let's see the answer. It is option C. Okay, one by one it is increasing, isn't it? Yes. See the next question. All right, it is option B. Whatever is inside the next figure, it is outside. Okay, right. Now see the next question. Quickly give the answer for this. All right, so your answer for this is option D. Let's move on to the next question. Select the odd one out. Potato, custard apple, papaya, mango, pineapple. All right. So you have to choose the odd one out. Very simple. All are fruits. Only one is potato. Only that is vegetable. That is a root vegetable. Okay. Right. All are fruits except potato. Fine. See the next one. 21, 9, 27, 11, 25. One good difference is there. Yes. Why is it 11? Only 11 is a prime number. All right. Yes. See the next question. Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Mercury. I repeat, Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Mercury. It is Jupiter because all are terrestrial planets except Jupiter. Okay. So terrestrial means land surface. Jupiter does not has any land surface. All right, see the next question. 16, 36, 50, 49, 100. Mostly it should be C because all are square numbers. 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 10 square is 100. So except 50. All right, see the next question. We have nurse, doctor, surgeon, driver. Nurse, doctor, surgeon, driver. Obviously, it should be driver. All others are related to medicine. Okay. Yes. Orissa, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Orissa, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Yes. 1 minute you can take, not more than that. And it is Madhya Pradesh because all states have coastline except Madhya Pradesh. Right. Quickly. Gold, silver, copper, diamond. Quickly. Yes. Gold, silver, copper, diamond. And the answer is diamond because all are metals except diamond. All right. Now you should write the operators in the correct order in the box. We have already revised about the operators, that is plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Right? All right. So this could be 30 divided by 5, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 3 will give 18. Okay. Options are, so 30 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. So option 2. All right. Yes. See the next question. 35, 4, 7, 7. The questions that is being given here is an all-rounder question. So it touches almost everything from the mental ability part. Okay. So if you are going to do these questions, I'm sure you will be able to do your exams very well. And you will be able to crack the mock test first, and after that, your exams also very well. All right. Let's see, it is 35 minus 4 multiplied by 7 will give 7. 35 minus 28 is 7. All right, see the next question. 17, 12, 4, 20. 17, 12, 4, 20. Quickly give me the answer, students. And it is option 4. 17 plus 12 divided by 4 is, equal to 20. Right? Yes. See the next question. 3, 4, 5, 23. 3, 4, 5, 23. All right, let's see the answer. It is option 2. Okay. 3 plus 4 into 5 is equal to 23. So 3 plus 20 is equal to 23. All right. See the next question. 8, 4, 2, 16. Your 1 minute has started, and after this, we'll see how many of you have given the correct answers. Okay, let's see the answer. It is option 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 16. All right, now let's see how many of you have given the correct answer. It is Ashwini, Ritvik Reddy, Sharanya, Manish, Nimra, Vigna, Teja, Candace, Galaxy, Mamta, Advaita, Vishnu Teja, Pravarti Bharat, Anandi, Nandini, Ashwini. Okay, many more has given the correct answer, students. Good. See the next question, 3, 5, 5, 10. What could be the correct answer? 3, 5, 5, 10. Your time is running. Quickly give me the answer. It should be option 1. 3 multiplied by 5 minus 5 is equal to 10. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So see the next question, 8426. 8426. Eight, 4, 2, 6. Your 1 minute is running. Yes, and it is option 4. 8 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 6. All right, see the next question, 3, 5, 10, 5. 3, 5, 10, 5. 3, 5, 10, 5. The time is running and it is option 3. How? 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 plus 10. Okay. Yes. Now first two figures have some relation. Guess the fourth figure which has similar relation with answer figures. Okay. So you have to guess the fourth figure which has similar relations with answer figure. Yes. What could be the fourth one? Yes. It is option A. All are in opposite direction. That's all. When compared to third. Right now, quickly look into the next question. Your problem figure is here. What could be the correct answer? You have option A, B, C, D, and E. What could be the correct answer? Your option 4. All right, let's see the correct answer. It is option E. All right. Yes, see the next question. What could be the fourth one? A, B, C, or D? What could be the fourth one? A, B, C, or D? Your time is running, students. Yes, the correct option or the answer could be 1, A. Right. See the next question. What could be the correct option? What could be the correct option? All right, it is option B. Okay. What could be the correct option? So guess the fourth figure, which has similar relation with the answer figures. All right, it is option B. Right. See the next question. What could be the fourth option? What could be the fourth one? Yes, it is option E. All right, now let's see how many of you are giving the correct answers. Sri Niharika Spurti. Then I have this Galaxy, Ravarti Bharat, Dikshita, Akshita, Saugna, Sai Manvit, Sheelam Nagar, Pujita, Sai Priya, Varun Teja, Sharanya, Sindhuja, Mani Teja, Navadeep, Kirtana, Ashwita, Gayatri, Bhargavi. Many more has given the correct answer. Devi Shri, Jakula, Ashwin, many more. See the next question. See the next term. OPQQ, SR, US, then dash. It should be WT. Right? Option D. Let's see. Yes. How? There are two series. The first letters are OQSU. Okay. Second letters are in PQRS, regular one. So that's why we have chosen option D. Okay. That is WT. Here the first letter is W, the next is T. Right. Now see the next question. You need to find the next term, ACEGIK, and so on. Yes, the time is running. It is option B, MO. Okay, so when such questions are asked, the first thing that you have to do is list all the alphabets. From that, you should be studying. Okay, so you have BCD left, FGH left, So three letters, it has been jumped. Okay. All right. See the next question. Find the next term. A is it BXCV. Find the next term. A is it BXCV. Quickly, students. And it is DT. Okay, because A, B, C are in order. See, the next letter must be D. All right, and leave one letter from last. Is it X? Is it YX, WB? Next, so it must be DT. All right, see the next question. Um, your question is AFHLNQ. So it is which option? PTTUST, UTSU. And it is SU. How? ABCD and so on to Z. Okay, so you have H here, leaving 6 letters. Leaving 5 letters, you have N. Losing 4 letters, you have S. Okay. Let's see the next question. 1, 3, 10, 9, 39. All right, 1, 3, 10, 22, 39. And if you cannot identify, subtract the terms. So then you get 2, 7, 12, 17. So this is another series. If you do not get any clue, subtract these terms. 7 minus 2 is 5, 12 minus 7 is 5, 17 minus 12 is 5. So now you should add 5 to 17, which you will get it as 22. Right? So 39 minus 22 would be 61. Okay, right. See the next numbers. 11, 23, 35, 47. 11, 23, 35, and 47. It can be 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20 plus 3, 10 threes are 30 plus 20. No, 21 should only come. Now, the pattern is we have numbers 11, 23, 35, 47. 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 12 is 35. 35 plus 12 is 47. 47 plus 10 plus 12 must be 59. Right. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Quickly give me the answer, students. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Yes, we have numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 twos are 64. All right, I'm sure this you must be able to do. 4, 12, 36, 108. What is the next number? 4, 12, 36, 108. All right, it should be 4 into 3 is 12. 12 threes are 36. 36 threes are 108. 108 threes are 324. Now let us observe some sequence and try to find the next number. To find the number, we need to identify the sequence. So we have numbers 6, 7, 16, 24, 31, 37. Right? So 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus 6 is 37. 37 plus 5 is 42. Okay, so hope you all have understood this correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next question. 7, 10, 12, 13, 13, 12. 7, 10, 12, 13, 13, 12. All right, it is we have numbers 7, 10, 12, 13, 13, 12. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 0 is 12. So 13 minus 1 is equal to 13 minus 1, which is 12. So 12 minus 2 is 10. Therefore, your next number must be 10. Okay, right. See the next number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What should be the next? It is 30. Right? See the next question 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 31. 1 full minute you can take, students, but quickly get the answer. Right? And the answer is 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3, 13 minus 8 is 5, 20 minus 13 is 7, 20, 31 minus 20 is 11. So prime numbers, next prime number is 13. So the next number must be what? It should be 44. Okay. Right. Quickly do the answer for this 3, 8, 18, 33, 53. The time is running, students. Probably with 2 more questions, we'll wind up. All right, let's see the answer. It is 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 30. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 15 is 33. 33 plus 20 is 53. 53 plus 25 is 78. One last sum we'll do. Find the next number 2, 3, 7, 16, 32. So you have to recollect the square. So here we have 2, 3, 7, 16, 32. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 16, 32 plus 25, likewise. Okay. So that is how we are getting 17. Yes. One last sum we'll do and we'll close it. We'll call it for a day. 10, 11, 15, 24, 40. And here we have the numbers 10, 11, 15, 24, 40. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. So 24 plus 16 is 40. Okay. So the answer should be 65. All right, students. So with this, we close for today. And I'm sure many of you would have noted down all the difficult and the different sums. Any doubts, you can always WhatsApp us and ask questions. All right. So do not forget to join your morning classes. Tell about our classes to your friends, your teachers, neighbors, and everybody to whom you think they all are going to write their NMMS exam, so that they will get benefited by our services. All right. Uh, Good night, students, and over to Smriti ma'am.
All right, students. See you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.